Alright, so here we are. We're officially off work for the holidays. It is the 22nd. I'm still in Ohio. Nasty, serious winter storm coming. 65 mile-an-hour winds. Around -30 for like the next 5 days. The lows, anywhere between -3 and -6. Should be fairly interesting. Oh, the door's frozen shut. That's surprising. The solar panels are already frozen over. Scrape them off. I do have this de-icer. Oh, come around that building and boy, you can really feel the wind. So, again, we're doing some stealth camping. We are out here and just watching it lay down. Gonna pull over here. I parked on this side just to kind of give us some coverage from the wind, maybe block some of the snow, instead of hang out and try to stay safe. And it's pretty cold. They're calling for the temperature drop to happen around 7 or so. It's supposed to hit single-digit temperatures. So I'm gonna just try to keep the heat on as long as we can, and try to stay warm. That's all we can do, right? All right, what time is it? Oh, 2 o'clock in the morning. We just woke up. It's certainly cold. All of our waters are frozen. It's -5. Oh God. The van battery is at about 34%, but it doesn't seem to be as windy though, so that's kind of cool. My fingers don't want to run my phone. Oh, kitty. She's tougher than I am. I drive to like, oh, that's my hat right there. Oh. We'll keep checking in. We're surviving.